All right. How do you feel about the vote to shoot down the 4-year terms today?
Very pleased that the council reaffirmed our previous decision to have 2-year terms in Danbury. You know, there's been no public outcry for 4-year terms. It doesn't remove politics from the process. I think it just removes the politicians from the public. 2-year terms brings people to the voters more often. It lets voters decide whether they like or dislike the decisions their elected officials have made in close proximity to when those decisions are made. And the other problem with 4-year terms is if you combine that with the proposed original $5 million for bonding, you could have had $20 million in borrowing under a single administration and a single council. Now we've reduced the bonding to $3 million and we're back to 2-year terms. So you have to look at that also, that now there's a cap of $6 million that an administration can borrow in bonding without going to referendum. So the council came together in a bipartisan way. Democrats and Republicans supported going back to what has worked in Danbury, 2-year terms.
So overall, how do you feel about the charter revision now? Are you positive with the revisions, the change that they made to it? Or is there anything that you still have doubts on?
There is one major area, and if you recall, I had proposed an amendment several meetings ago with regard to city clerk. I think the city clerk's office should be eliminated as elected position, and there should be a clerk of the council or a legislative aide to the council. The problem with the proposed revisions now is that aide to the council, that clerk to the council, is being appointed by the mayor and approved by the council. I think it should be a council appointment and then confirmed by council, maybe council president or a leadership appointment with confirmation by the entire council, so that we separate the branches of government and have an independent legislative branch and have an executive branch, the mayor. Right now, the way it's proposed, it's sort of halfway there. I think we need to go further, but the document as a whole, I think, is a step in the right direction, particularly with the revisions that the council sent back to charter revision. They adopted most of them as presented. So it came to us. I didn't like the document. We sent it back our revisions. They adopted most of them. We had to tackle the 4-year versus 2-year tonight, which we did successfully. Now I think it's a better document, and the voters can vote on it as a whole in November.